Hi, we are Techno Exponent and we are able to help you regarding your project. With over 8 years of experience, we have pursued projects on technologies including React Native, Firebase, Objective-C, Swift, PHP, MySQL, etc., which will help to success in your project. We have also read the document you have attached and understand that you need to athlete training competition Android and iOS app. This app will have two user control. One is captains or coaches and another is participants. Here captains and coaches can set up training competitions for athletes, set up new competition rules, choose sport being trained for, declare training goals, see a current ranking of participants, and here as well as athletes and participants can enter the training data, view their performance, see rank against the another teammates or competitors, and choose the training type for each season. Well, I am happy to tell you that we will be definitely help you regarding your project, as we have developed a lots of Android and iOS apps as well as web applications. So here in this video I will be briefing about some of our recently developed projects. So let's begin. So at first the project which I will show you is MedCheck. It is a doctor-patient consulting app where patient can consult with a doctor. It also has a video call feature. Let me show you an example. Here user have to first select his location, and after selecting his location there will be a available doctors list appeared in the screen, and after that user need to put on the health problem. User can also attach files and then click onto this come in button, and after pressing this button a video call will be initiated, and if the doctor is available at that right moment then the call will be connected. As if there is no doctor is available right now, so there is no connection generated. So along with this feature, the user can see the doctor's list appeared in the screen, as well as there is a self-health assessment part in this application, for which user have to select first his gender, and after that user have to select his age, and after selecting age the list of diseases will be appeared in the screen of the user, from which user can select one. If the issue is minor then the app will predict a remedy right away, and if the issue is major then the app will suggest the user to consult with a doctor. So along with this feature, this app has many more features, as if the lab test report can be generated, the medical insurance report can be generated from here, and the membership plans can be also brought from here, for which we have introduced Stripe Payment Gateway. So this app has many more features. You can see that this is a bilingual app, as English and Vietnamese two language options are provided here, from which user can select one. And also I have provided this app's link in the description part, so I request you to please check thoroughly all the descriptions of this app. Now moving on to our next project, this is Clock-In. It is an online timesheet management application from which user can manage the employees. This is actually a paid application for which user have to first subscribe, and for this subscription part we have used Stripe Payment Gateway. There is a live look feature from which user can see who is presently logged in, as if there is no one logging in, so this message is showing. From this Clock-In section an employee can directly log in into the system. Let me show you an example. Here user have to first select the job code, and after selecting the job code the auto location will be detected, and after that user have to click onto this Clock-In button, and after clicking onto this Clock-In button a message will appear which will show that the user has been successfully clocked in. And after a successful clocking in there will be a live timer going on, which will calculate the current day and week time, and if the employee want they can clock out from the system by directly clicking on this button, and there is also a message will be showing that the employee has been successfully clocked out. A particular employee report can be generated from here. Here user have to first select the employee name and the start date and then the end date, And after selecting all this, user need to click onto the search button. And after clicking onto the search button, the particular report of that employee will be generated. User can download this report by clicking onto the send report button, from which the PDF format of this report will be downloaded into the device. And from this billing part, user can directly subscribe to the application which I have showed before. And this application has many more features. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all these features to you, and I request you to please check all the features thoroughly. Moving on to our next project, it is All Public Art. It is completely an art marketplace app for art lovers where user can buy or sell artwork. So here user can also find the nearby artworks location. Let me give you an example. From this Find Art section, user can see his present location. So this red dot is my present location and this yellow dot is my nearby artworks location. So by clicking onto this yellow dot, I will be directly redirected to that nearby artworks location. User can also post an artwork by just clicking onto this post button and by filling up these required fields. Here user can also provide his location, but this is not mandatory, and then click onto this post button. User can also scroll through various kind of artworks. They can select a particular artwork, they can like on it, comment on it, and as well as can share the artwork. They can like the artwork by clicking onto this button, and this is the comment portion. This app has another interesting feature, which is this chat feature, from which user can interact with one another. So this is the successful conversation. For this chat feature we have used Firebase database and Socket.io for real-time chat experience. So this app has many more features, as if the 360-degree view of a particular image can be generated. User can sell item directly. User can also invite friends and follow people, and can manage the account settings also. So this app has these features, and I cannot explain all these features to you to keep the video short, and I request you to please just check all the features thoroughly. So these are some of our projects which I have shown you, and we have developed many more, and we will be more than happy to share those projects with you if got an opportunity. So I do hope we get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.